Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to bring you a video on Bitcoin. Okay, I want to run through some technical analysis, talk about what I see happening in the short and long term, why Bitcoin is pumping so much, and how Bitcoin affects the altcoin market. So let's delve into this, guys. Bitcoin has been in an absolute tear as of late, blasting past $20,000, now well over $30,000. Guys, we've seen a $30,000 Bitcoin. This is absolutely insane. But guys, I want to make this video because I want to say I do think we're overextended. I think we are likely to see a substantial pullback, maybe 20 to 30% pullback with Bitcoin at some point here. I don't know when that'll happen, but I don't think we're just going to keep going up in like basically a straight line forever. I don't know when the top will exactly be. When we do get a correction, I do not think it'll be long-lived because of news stories like this. In this news story from Cointelegraph, we can see here that in December alone, Grayscale by itself bought over 72,000 Bitcoin. 28,000 Bitcoin was mined in December. So just one institution is buying several times more Bitcoin than is being produced in 1 month. That's not to mention PayPal. That's not to mention MicroStrategy. That's not to mention, Square, the Square app, the Money app, whatever, guys. There's institutions, individual rich people, corporations, banks, countries trying to pour into Bitcoin by the day, which is why we're seeing such incredible price action like this. And so I'm not sure exactly when it will stop, but I want to make this video to say we are starting to see some signs of a potential pullback. Not so much here in the daily. MACD RSI still trending up. If we go to the 6 hour here, still not incredible signs of a pullback. RSI still making higher highs. MACD still going up. Although the volume is decreasing. Let's go to the 1 hour here. Okay, on the 1 hour, MACD starting to tick down. We might have a bearish crossover on our stochastic RSI, and our stochastic looks to me like we want to go down some as well, decreasing volume and increasing sell volume. Let's look at the 15. Okay, so on the 15 minute, we've had a bearish crossover in the MACD. Histogram starting to tick down. Stochastic on the downside. RSI making lower highs. Very much overbought. So let's take a look here at price action as well. We were in an ascending triangle. We tried to break out and got rejected. And, we're right in an apex here. So we don't really know where direction it's going to go here until we break out. But I personally think we're very overextended and retesting maybe the 32,000 to 32,200 makes a lot of sense. Just retouching one of our EMAs. Whenever we leave our EMAs like this, it's just a matter of time before we come back down, and at the very least retest one of our EMAs. But we're at a breakout point here. We're at an apex, so we'll have to see which ways this goes. As well, guys, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is at a very interesting place. Bitcoin dominance being the total value of Bitcoin in comparison to the total value of all cryptocurrency. Okay, and we've been pumping a lot in Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been rising, but very interestingly, we're at a very critical place. We're nearing what could be potential resistance at 33. If we blow past 33 here, Bitcoin could keep pumping. But we could get rejected off the 33 here. Bitcoin dominance might and fall. And if that happens, the altcoins may pump. That if Bitcoin dominance falls, that would definitely benefit the altcoins. So that's something to keep our eye out for. And again, if anything interesting happens with Bitcoin, we will definitely be talking about it in our Telegram. We don't have a Telegram group. In our Discord group, link to join that will be down in the description below. Are we breaking out? Jesus, guys, Bitcoin is absolutely crazy. Okay, so this is very interesting. We're finding support on the 20 EMA, so obviously that needs to maintain to remain bullish. And we're seeing like we're breaking above, but can we close above? That's the interesting question. Let's look at the 1 minute. Ooh, guys, this is super interesting. So, just to summarize a bit better here, I don't know when we're going to get a significant pullback with Bitcoin. Although I think one is kind of has to happen, guys. We're so overextended, okay? But institutions keep buying up Bitcoin like there's no tomorrow, okay? The supply is the smallest it's ever been, while the demand is the greatest it's ever been at the beginning of a bull run. So I don't know when we're going to have a significant pullback. I think a minor pullback is just a matter of time, to be honest. I think we have to fall back down and retest one of our EMAs here on like the 15 on the half hour eventually. It's just a matter of time. But for now, Bitcoin may still be bullish, especially if we break out and hold above the, what is this, the 3,300. So that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads, and I'll see you next time. Take care.